Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a Revolut Junior account. To create your Revolut Junior account, the regular application of Revolut won't work for you. So what you have to do is open Google Play Store and you have to download this Revolut less than 18 years old app from Google Play Store. It's also created from Revolut. So what you have to do is download the application on your phone and then click on Open. There are two options: log into Revolut less than 18 or create a new account. So if you're new to the Junior account, you have to create a new account. Then you have to enter your child's date of birth. Click on Continue. From here, you have to select the country and you have to make sure the country should match the parent country. And then you have to click on Continue, and after that you have to enter your child's phone number. The phone number will be linked to your Revolut less than 18 account. So type in your phone number and click on Sign Up, and you also have to follow along with the instructions, and that's how you can create a Revolut Junior account. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.